Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi SQ5 finished in Navarre blue. The car's got the LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, the front headlight washer jets and also the front and rear parking sensors. The 21-inch twin-spoke design SQ5 alloy wheels with the red brake calipers, chrome surrounds on the exterior mirror housing and also the surrounds of the windows, privacy glass from the B pillar backwards with a full power tailgate and dynamic sweep indicators with the rear parking sensors and also the reverse camera. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the Alcantara suede on the inside of the door cards with the extended leather with the white stitching, electronic folding exterior mirrors with the fine Nappa leather diamond stitching on the S-embossed logo seats, with electronic slide tilt and four-way lumbar support, auto headlights and wipers and a flat bottom multifunctional perforated leather steering wheel, auto hold assist, heated seats with 3-zone digital climate control and Audi's MMI display with the navigation. If you'd like any more information on this Audi SQ7, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.